Hello guys, welcome back to the another video of Imvu. So today I'm gonna show you how to add portal inside your Imvu room, or if you want add-on room inside the Imvu. So first of all, please like and subscribe my channel. Then you need to go to Imvu dashboard homepage, then go to show, then add your room. So as you can see, this is the normal room of Imvu with no portal. Then you need to go inside the furniture and search here for portal. As you can see, different type of portal. So you can add the your favorite portal according to your room adjustment. So I will add this secret room portal. So after that you need to go near the portal standing point. So this is how you can trigger the secret room of the portal. If you want to go back, you need to go to the door. So I will go near the door point. So this is how you can come back from the portal. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. So bye.